What is that?
Don't you know what that is? That's an audio device.
I see.
Let's face it, are you going to tell me your name or what? So, how long have you been having the problem?
Problems? The electricity hasn't worked since we got here. The lights, outlets, I'm trying to watch the Knicks game tonight.
Did anyone inspect the house before you moved in?
I don't know. I'd have to ask my dad.
When will he be back? Chandler's mother was beaten half to death last week. He was granted compassionate leave. Before he left for Saudi Arabia, someone gave him $250,000. They told him if he delivered it to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target. Only child.
Typhoon hit Southeast Asia weeks before the start of the rainy season, surprising meteorologists around the globe.
Yes, a simple drabble, that's all.
Sports scores, weather predictions, election results, and even murders. You sent these to me days, weeks, months before you could have possibly known about it.